10th Standard Geography, Unit 5, India Forest Resources. Dear students, you have already seen the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. First main, answer the following questions. Explain the importance of forests. Answer is, directly they provide a large variety of woods which are used as fuel, timber and industrial raw materials. Forests provide fodder for livestock and employment opportunities for the people. Indirectly, forests preserve the physical features, check soil erosion, control floods and regulate the flow of rivers. They prevent desertification, help to improve soil fertility, make the climate equable, help to maintain ecological balance, and they provide shelter to wildlife. These are all the importance of forests. Let's move to second question. What are the factors that determine the types of forests in India? The factors that determine the types of forest in India are: first one climate, second one soil, third one relief. Let's move to question number 3. Mention the types of forests found in India. The types of forests found in India are: first one, the tropical evergreen forests, the tropical deciduous forests, scrub forests and grassland, desert vegetation, mountain forests, mangrove forests. These are the types of forests found in India. Let's move to question number 4. Explain the characteristics of the tropical evergreen forests. The characteristics of the tropical evergreen forests are: these forests are found in areas of heavy annual rainfall exceeding 250 centimeters. These forests are dense and the trees grow to a great height. The trees and plants do not shed their leaves during the year at the same time. Hence they are evergreen. The important trees are teak, rosewood, ebony, mahogany, gurjan and champa. These are the characteristics of the tropical evergreen forests. Question number 5. Explain the characteristics of the tropical deciduous forests. Answer is, these forests are found in areas with an annual rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeters. The trees in these forests shed their leaves during spring and early summer. Hence they are also known as monsoon forests. The important trees are teak, sal, sandalwood, kusum, kanju, myrobalan, cerise, mango, neem, tamarind, etc. These are all the characteristics of the tropical deciduous forests. Let's move to question number 6. Explain the characteristics of the desert vegetation. Answer is: these are found in areas with annual rainfall of 10 to 50 centimeters, that is the Thar Desert. On account of scanty rainfall, vegetation consists of scattered trees and thorny bushes. Jand, Khair, Kolko, Babul, Cacti and Khejra trees are found here. These are all the characteristics of the desert vegetation. Let's move to question number 7. Explain the characteristics of the mountain forests. Answer is: the trees and plants which grow on the slopes of the mountain are called mountain forests. In India, they occur in the Himalayas and to a small extent in the Nilgiri hills. The plants and trees vary with increasing altitude. The important trees are oak, chestnut, ash, beech, pine, cedar, spruce, fir, deodar, and walnut. These are all the characteristics of the mountain forests. Let's move to question number 8. Explain the characteristics of the mangrove forests. Answer is: these forests are found in wet marshy areas, in river deltas, and along the sea coast washed by tides. They are mainly found in the deltas of rivers, on the eastern coast, and in pockets on the western coast of India. The important trees are Rhizopora, canes, screw pine, palms, sundari, etc. The tree trunks are supported by a number of stilt-like roots which are submerged under water. These are all the characteristics of mangrove forests. Let's move to question number 9. What are the main causes for the destruction of forests? The main causes for the destruction of forests are: first one, the expansion of agricultural land, construction of roads and railway, irrigation projects, industrialization, urbanization, overgrazing, and forest fires, etc. These are the reasons or the causes for the destruction of forests. Let's move to question number 10. Explain the distribution of forests in India. Answer is: the total forest area of India was about 7.74 lakh square kilometers. Forests in India are not evenly distributed. Nearly 60% of the forest area of the country is in the Himalayas and peninsular hills. 20% is in the northern plains. Among the states, Madhya Pradesh has the largest area under forests. Goa has the least in India. These are all about the distribution of forests in India. Let's move to question number 11. Mention the wildlife sanctuaries of India. Answer is Andamalai, Mudumalai in Tamil Nadu, Dandeli, Bhadra, Talakaveri, BR Hills of Karnataka, Periyar of Kerala, Nagarjuna Sagar of Telangana, Bharatpur and Ranthambore of Rajasthan, Manas of Assam, Jaldapara of West Bengal. These are the wildlife sanctuaries of India. Let's move to question number 12. Mention the national parks of India. Answer is Kaziranga, Assam, Sundarbans, West Bengal, Corbett, Uttarakhand, Gir, Gujarat, Kanha, Madhya Pradesh. Bandipur, Bannerghatta, Nagarhole in Karnataka, Sariska, Rajasthan, Dudhwa, Uttar Pradesh, Tadoba, Maharashtra. These are the national parks of India. Let's move to question number 13. Mention the biosphere reserves of India. Answer is Nilgiri, Nanda Devi, Nokrek, Manas, Great Nicobar, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarbans. Simplipal, Kanchanjunga, Pachmari, Agastyamalai, Dibru-Saikhowa, Dihang Dibang. These are the biosphere reserves of India.